India's Ministry of Civil Aviation on Thursday notified the new liberalized drone rules 2021. Under the new rules, a draft of which was released in July, several requirements and approvals have been abolished, and this is expected to make drone operations simpler for civilian drone operators. Drones are officially known as Unmanned Aircraft Systems (UAS) and are extremely useful in different sectors including transportation, agriculture, defense, law enforcement, surveillance and emergency response, among many. In this video, we break down the basic facets of the improved drone rules. Do you need permit to fly mini drones in India? Under India's new drone rules, you do not require security clearance to operate and fly tiny drones in the air. Any change in drone application process. The total number of forms that were to be filled has been reduced from 25 to 5. The various approvals that were required, such as unique authorization number, unique prototype identification number, certificate of manufacturing and airworthiness, certificate of conformance, certificate of maintenance, import clearance, acceptance of existing drones, operator permit, authorization of R&D organization, student remote pilot license, remote pilot instructor authorization, and drone port authorization, etc. have been abolished. How much weight can drones carry? With the new drone rules, the government has increased the payload of drones from 300 kilograms to 500 kilograms. Any specific zones. Now the green, yellow, red zones will be shown on the Digital Sky platform to enable ease for all stakeholders. These zones have been demarcated to tell drone operators where they can and cannot fly their aircraft systems. Even in these zones, the government has significantly liberalized the rules. For example, the yellow zone, which was earlier a 45-kilometer zone from the airport perimeter, has now been reduced to a 12-kilometer zone, meaning that outside of a 12-kilometer radius of an airport perimeter, it would be a green zone where drone operators no longer need permission to fly up to 200 feet. Do I still need to register my drone? Yes, online registration for all drones is mandatory and can be done on the Digital Sky platform. Any changes in fee? The fee for remote pilot license for drones in India has been reduced to nominal levels and also de-linked from the size of the drone. Now you just need to pay ₹100 for all categories of drones, and the remote pilot license for drones will be valid for 10 years.